Today we will learn profession names. So let's learn together. Teacher. Teacher helps children learn new things every day. Teachers make learning fun just like magic. Doctor. Doctor treats sick people and keep them healthy. Doctors are superheroes with stethoscopes. Nurse. Nurse takes care of patients and gives them medicine. Nurses are like angels in hospitals. Pilot. Pilot flies airplanes high up in the sky. Pilots take us on adventures above the clouds. Policeman. Policeman keeps us safe and catches bad guy. Police officers are real life heroes. Engineer. Engineers designs and builds machine, bridges and gadgets. Engineers turns ideas into reality. Scientist. Scientists study the world and discovers amazing facts. Scientists are explorers of knowledge. Chef. Chef cooks delicious food for everyone to enjoy. Chefs make our tummies happy. Farmer. Farmer grows crops and raises animals for our food. Farmers are the heroes behind every meal. Artist. Artists paint, draws and creates beautiful art. Artists add colors to our world. Actor. An actor performs in movies, TV shows and theatres. Actors bring stories to life. Athlete. Athlete competes in sports and games. Athletes inspire us to stay strong and fit. Driver. Driver drives buses, taxis or trucks safely. Drivers take us where we want to go. Photographer. Photographer captures special moments with a camera. Photographers freeze time in pictures. Soldier. Soldiers protect the country and keep us safe. Soldiers are brave guardians to the nation. Dentist. Dentist keeps our teeth clean and healthy. Dentists give us sparkling smiles. Plumber. Plumber fixes pipes, tapes and water system. Plumber are water saving heroes. Mechanic. Mechanic repairs car, bikes and machine. Mechanics make vehicles run smoothly. Librarian. Librarian takes care of books in a library. Librarians are treasure keepers of knowledge. Judge. Judge makes fair decision in courts. Judges bring justice like wise leaders. Lawyer. Lawyer helps people solve legal problems. Lawyers are protectors of our rights. Fashion designer. Fashion designers create stylish clothes and trends. Designers make the world look fabulous. Tailor. Tailor stitches clothes perfectly. Tailors make us look our best. Banker. Banker handles money and accounts. Bankers keep our savings safe. Accountant. Accountant keeps track of money and helps companies manage their finances. Accountants are like money detective, solving number puzzles every day. Architect. An architect designs buildings, houses and bridges to make cities beautiful. Architects are like dream builder, turning ideas into real homes. Cleaner. Cleaner keeps school, offices and homes neat and tidy. Cleaner are like superheroes who fight dirt and make everything shine. Postman. Postman delivers letter, parcels and surprise to people's home. Postmen are like friendly messengers, bringing news from faraway places. Politician. Politician works in government to make rules and decisions for the country. Politicians are like team leaders, helping guide the nation's big plans. Painter. Painter creates beautiful art or colors houses to make them look lively. Painter bring life to blank walls and turn plain things into masterpieces. Pharmacist. Pharmacist prepares and gives medicines to help people get better. Pharmacists are like healthy helper, giving magic pills that help us.